You might come across this question in your next exam. Here's exactly how to solve it. A sample of an oxide of mercury weighed, an oxide of mercury, meaning it should be mercury is the symbol of mercury is Hg, and since they are talking about oxide, it's supposed to be HgO. So this is how the oxide of mercury should, this is the chemical formula an oxide of chemistry should look like or be. When this was heated, so the oxide of mercury weighed 1 gram. When this was heated, oxygen was given off and 1 gram of mercury metal was left. 1 gram of mercury metal, 1 gram of mercury metal again from the oxide. I think there's an error here, was left. What is the formula of the oxide? Well, note there's no change in mass. The oxide is 1 gram, and after the oxide was heated and oxygen was given off, 1 gram of mercury was still left, and so this can't actually be solved. Probably there's a typo error somewhere, or there's a mistake somewhere. But since there is no change in mass, the best option here to pick would be none of the above. None of the above. It could have been intentional, and that's why I tried to answer the question for you. The oxide of mercury was given to be 1 gram, and after heated, you still have mercury to be 1 gram. 1 1. So there's 1 minus 1 will give you 0. There's no change in mass. So the correct option here, the best option that would go with this question is none of the above. Would you like to solve similar questions? Click on the link in the description box. You win. Just believe.